Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Router Full Setup Guide Reset, Configure Connect. Step 1. Unbox the router, take out the TP-Link router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable from the box. Make sure everything is included before starting. Step 2. Connect the router, plug the power adapter into the router and turn it on. Connect the Internet cable from your modem to the WAN/Internet port. Step 3. Connect your device. Use Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable to connect your laptop or phone to the TP-Link router network. Step 4. Open the setup page. Open a web browser and type tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1 in the address bar to access the router settings. Step 5. Log into the router. Create a new admin password or enter the default login details if asked on the setup page. Step 6. Set up Internet connection. Choose your Internet connection type like Dynamic IP, PPPoE, or Static IP based on your ISP details. Step 7. Change Wi-Fi name password. Create a new Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and set a strong password for better security. Step 8. Save and apply settings. Click the Save or Apply button. The router may restart automatically after saving the setup. Step 9. Reset the router, if needed. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights blink to restore factory settings. Step 10. Test the Internet connection. Reconnect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network and check if the Internet is working properly. Thanks for watching.